to add files on iMovie. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add files from your documents to iMovie project. Let's get started. First, remember that iMovie app is not available for an Android device, so on your iOS device, click on search bar and open iMovie. Now open the project that you want to add files to. You can see plus icon like this on your screen. Click on it. Now you will see different options here. On the bottom you can see this files option. Click on files. Now you will see your files here. Simply click on the file that you want to add, then click on done. After that your file will be added on your project. So this is how you add files on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.